Hello guys. How are you all? I hope you are well as before. In today's video, we are going to talk about an experimental version of Winlator Molly which is still under experimentation, and this update has not been released on GitHub yet, but if you want this update, then you have to check out my Telegram. A lot of problems have been fixed in this update. The black screen that comes in the game has also been fixed. So, please try this update and I will show you how to set up it. And in this Winlator Molly experimental emulator, we will try GTA 4 and see if the problem that was occurring earlier, the black screen that was getting stuck in GTA 4, has that problem been fixed or not? If not, then I will talk to the developer about this and get this problem fixed.
You make me while the pain was all around. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, let's have a bit of fun till I downfall, my love. I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. I know that I'm somebody else to love you. You did me dirty the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
Guys, the problem hasn't been fixed here, but this game runs on some devices but doesn't run on all devices. What happens on all of Molly's devices is the game runs for a bit, then there's a problem while loading, a black screen comes, then the game crashes. If this is the problem, Then I'll talk to the developer about this and request them to fix the problem.